Hey folks, welcome to the Clear Creek Cabin Mini Farm. So don't buy a John Deere 1025R tractor unless you want your lawn to look like this all the time. Seriously. Here at the cabin, we built the cabin, oh God, it's going on 6 years now, I guess, 7 years, 2015. So when we did putting a cabin in the middle of the woods, we ended up with a lot of grading issues. The whole hillside here runs water down. We've had some water issues that come into our gardens, and it keeps the raised beds wet. The water was getting down underneath, and it was just seeping up into the gardens. So what I'm doing is I'm putting in a little French drain here that's going to run between the garden to catch the water and run that out. At the same time, I'm going to fix the grade over here. This grade was coming down and then going right to the back of the house. We don't really have a lot of water in the basement, but it does get sopping wet over in here. So I'm doing some grading to fill this in here. We're going to put the French drain that goes along over in here. And like I say, if you've got a John Deere tractor, it always seems like there's always some kind of a dirt pile someplace, or a hole someplace, or whatever. A little tractor like this with a front loader and a backhoe on it, I'm always digging up something, but it's fun. So come on along, I'll show you what we're doing today. Well, that's all I can do with the backhoe for right now. What I'm going to have to do is drop the backhoe and put on the box blade to be able to grade this section out here and get this graded down around the corner from where our garden expansion is going to be. As you can see, there's a post here, and over here is going to be another post in the middle, and then another post out here on the end to expand the garden out another 16 feet. So the goal is to get the drainage to come down around the garden and then go back around over and catch the line that I'm doing over here. This is going to be a French drain with stone in it, and that'll catch all the water over in there. So this is all got to be graded out some more. I've done whatever I can do right now with the backhoe and with the front bucket, but I need to get that all graded out with the box blade, and then what I can do is come back and finish digging the trench for the French drain. Don't you want cookies? Come on, I'll give you a cookie. Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay, here's your cookies. Look at those lips. Look at those lips. You're something else, you two. Couple cookie hounds. Yep. Couple cookie hounds, huh? Yeah. Couple cookie hounds. Okay, I got your hay. Let's go. Who wants hay? Come on, let's go. You guys are funny. Got our little weenies hanging out here, going on a week and a half, almost 2 weeks old. Getting big. So here it is 3 months later. Now, like I said, if you don't want your yard to be always torn up, don't buy a John Deere 1025R tractor, especially if it's got a backhoe. We finished the trench. As you can see, there's still a pile of dirt over here that's been here for 3 months. We got pulled over on other projects that typically happen every spring, every summer. We planted the garden. I finished up the fence on this side of the garden. We still have to finish it on this side. We've now built a little chicken coop addition to the hay barn up there. We planted the potato garden over in this area, squash, potatoes. We have the carrots, tomatoes, squash over here, peppers. So it's been a busy summer. If you don't want your yard looking like this, don't get a John Deere 25R. But seriously, you know, we have so many projects here on the farm that we get sidetracks back and forth. It's just one of those things. We'll finish it up this fall when it's cooler. We'll be able to get out here, move the dirt pile. I'll get this seeded. We'll redo the gardens again, finish the fence. Got a lot to do, but that's what it's like owning a little mini farm. So stop back and see us. Appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you get a chance. And subscribe to the channel. We'd really like to have you be a member of our family. God bless you till the next time we see you.